How to sign in to Gate.io website. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. To log in or sign in to your Gate.io using the website on your computer or your laptop, here's how you can do it. Open up a web browser of your preference and in the URL box type in gate.com and search. You'll end up in this official website for Gate, from where you'll need to go to the login button at the top right corner, this one over here. Click on that, and in the sign in page, you can use the QR code option, phone option, or email/username option. Choose any one option to your preference. In this video, we are going to use the email and username option. Go ahead and write down your email or username associated with your Gate account and then click on Next. Select the email/username option and enter the email or username associated with your account. Once done, click Next. Now go ahead and enter your password associated with your Gate account in the text box and click on Login. If you don't remember your password, you can tap on the Forgot Password link and follow the on-screen instructions. After clicking Login, you'll be logged into your account. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you'll need to go ahead and complete that as well. But first, go and check your email inbox. You'll receive a 6-digit verification code in it, and simply go ahead and enter the code that you received. Now, open up your Google Authenticator app if you've enabled it, and copy the code from that as well and paste it in. Right after you do that, you'll be signed into your Gate account. So there you have it. That is how you can easily log into Gate.io or Gate on your web browser. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.